Hello and welcome to my channel. In this Adobe Illustrator video, I'm going to be showing you an update on how to repeat an object around a circle. So previously, you would select the object and using the rotate tool, you would hold down Option and find the center of the circle to Alt click, and then you may have to do some math to copy and repeat the object using Command D to duplicate that transformation to get it around a circle. Now there's a new feature where you can select your object. I'm going to group these as one object. Go to Object, Repeat, and Radial. And you can see depending on where the center is of that, you may need to move your center. You can also change the radius or diameter of the circle here. And you can change the number of instances for that repeating object. If I zoom back out, if you look up here in your info bar, you can also see how many repeats. You could reverse the overlap and change the radius here too. And if you need to change the object later, you can just click into the object and you can rotate it and it will update live for you. So that's a really handy new feature. I'm going to show you that functionality again with just a simple object. So go to Object, Repeat, Radial, and here you can increase your diameter and instances are up here. And you can also change the angle of where your repetition begins. If this video helped you out, please like the video so others can find it and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.